Did you know that bananas are technically berries while strawberries aren't? It's true. Strawberries are classified as aggregate fruits. Speaking of surprising facts, a day on Venus is longer than its year because it rotates so slowly. And octopuses? They have 3 hearts, 2 for pumping blood to their gills and 1 for their body. Honey is fascinating too. It never spoils, with edible honey found in ancient Egyptian tombs. Cleopatra lived closer to the moon landing than to the pyramids, and clouds can weigh over 1,000,000 pounds, yet float effortlessly. Tardigrades, or water bears, can survive in space. And believe it or not, you share 60% of your DNA with bananas. Jellyfish are 95% water and lack brains, hearts, or bones. In 2006, Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet, and the Eiffel Tower can actually grow taller in the summer due to metal expansion. Cows have best friends and get stressed when separated. Ancient Romans even used crushed mouse brains as toothpaste. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all of Earth's beaches, and sloths can hold their breath for up to 40 minutes underwater. Lastly, imagine hiccuping for 68 years. That's the longest recorded hiccuping spree.